Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at multiples and factors, specifically a prime number or prime numbers and prime factors. So what's a prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that cannot be made by multiplying other prime numbers. So it's basically a number that has two factors, one in itself. It's numbers that include numbers that include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and so on. Do I see a pattern? Because I do. All of these numbers are odd numbers. If they're what you thought, then you're correct. Prime numbers are basically odd numbers that exclude 1 and include 2. So let's take a look at today's first example. Which is to find the prime fractions of 24. I'm going to leave some of the numbers here. 2, 3, 5. Because those are all the numbers you're going to be needing. Right. So 24 is equal to 2 times 12. And take a look at 12. 12 is equal to 2 times 6. We can go further. 6. 6 is just 3 times 2. We can't go any further because we have reached our destination. So 24 is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Right. Now, this can be simplified further to 2 to the third times 3. Okay, take that down. Now, we find the prime factors of 180. 180 is equal to 2 times 90. This number is a very special number. Once you reach trigonometry, let's see what I'm talking about. 20. 20 is such a good number. It's divisible by 5 and 4, which is an odd and an even number. Anyway, 2 90 is equal to 2 times 45. We just use the calculators for this part because this is what's important. 45, same thing as 3 times 15, put down 15, we have 3 times 5. And you cannot go any further since you have reached the terminal terms for the prime numbers. So you get 180 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Would anyone like to simplify these numbers for me? Okay. Sure you got them right. It's 2 squared, these are the two numbers, and 3 squared, these two numbers. Since you only have 1, 5, 1, 4, if you just take this out, it doesn't make any lick of a difference. Right? Now, these are your prime numbers. I hope you paid attention because this will come in handy. What's coming next? going to look at the highest common factor. Hopefully you can see my handwriting. This one is HCF. So if I find the HCF of 180 and 300, we said that 180 is equal to 10 5. Now, in an exercise, I want you to find the prime factors of 300. You good? Okay, let's see if you got them right. 300 is equal to 2 squared times 3 and 5. If you're having a hard time with this, just take any one of these numbers, the prime numbers, and just keep dividing into 300. I'm sure it'll eventually come down to this. And remember, you're still looking at whole numbers, so you cannot have a fraction, hence no fractions. Right? Now, when it comes to these numbers, and you want the common factor, the common factor for these numbers is 2 squared times 3 times 5. So basically what we did is what the highest common prime number. In this case, it was 2 squared. We have a 3, but it's not the highest common number or the highest common factor. It's actually 3 squared. So if you had 3 cubed would be our highest common factor. Right. And since we only have 5 to the 1 and 5 to the 1, we just take 5 to the 1. So this is our highest common factor. Take another example. We take 19 and 45. Now I want you to find one of the prime factors from 19 and 45. You ready? Okay, let's go. Let's see if you got it right. Pause the video, by the way. Let's see. It's 2 times 3 squared times 5. Sorry, my bad. Times 5. 45 is 3 squared times 5. Now, we have 1 5, and there is no other number. There is no 5, so a bigger number than 1, just 1, so we have 5. And since there is no 2 here, it's not a common factor, so we just leave out the 2. And we look at these two numbers. We have 3 squared and 3 squared. That's our highest common factor. So 3 squared. So our highest common factor is 45. That's the highest number that can go into 45, basically. Good. Now, for the last part, we're going to be looking at the lowest common multiple, also known as LCM. Now, if you take all two numbers, if you guys want, you just forward this part. In this case, we want to take sorry, for bad English, the highest powers, meaning we will take 2 squared, because that's the highest power, times the highest power between the 3's is the 3 squared. So 3 squared. If we had, let's just say for example, we had another number and we had 3 to the cube, we would have taken 3 cubed. But since our highest power is 2, let's say 3 squared, or 2. And our highest number between 1 and 2, right, is 2. So we take the 5 squared. So that's as your LCM, which is equals to 4 times 9 times 21. Punch that in your calculator, get 900. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and I try to keep it under 11 minutes and good luck.